Untitled here, what's up? So after I did my Prince Gumball cosplay tutorial, I had someone ask for me to do a tutorial on how I do my Dipper Pines makeup. And this one should be much quicker because there's no face paint, there's nothing complicated like that. So let's get into it. So like always, of course, I'm going to start off by putting in contacts, putting my hair back, and putting on primer. Okay, so now I've got all that back on, whatever, and so now I'm going to move on to my foundation, where just use whatever is your shade, and this should be pretty simple, just regular foundation. Okay, so next I'm going to move on to my favorite part, the eyebrows. Very simple shape here, doesn't have to be anything crazy, just follow your regular line and then maybe make it a bit thicker because he's male. Okay, so I have my eyebrows on, and so next I'm going to do my eyeshadow stuff here. And this isn't exactly eyeshadow, but it's kind of a contour type stuff. And so what I do is I take all my eyeshadows in brown, and I make his eyes very inset and deep because he's always we gotta go find the Loch Ness Monster, yeah! And so I try to make it more deep and less, just more popping. Okay, so my eyeshadow done, so next I'm going to do my contour right here, and my nose, which I'm going to lightly connect to my eye, and then I'm going to do my lip extender, which I still need a better name for, somewhat. Okay, I will go on to that. With my contour on, I'm going to move on to the big thing that makes Dipper. So what I have is a reddish pinkish color that I like to use, not a blush but an eyeshadow actually. I like to use on my nose and a bit on my cheeks, but really heavily on the nose, just to give him that youthful, cute, cartoony look because he's Dipper Pines, yeah! With my Rudolph nose, I'm going to move on to my eyeliner, which is something for him I like to keep very round and short wings, just very close to the eye. All done for my Dipper Pines makeup. If you want to add freckles or something like that, I recommend using alcohol activated paints or eyeshadow, whatever works best for you. Okay, so now I'm going to throw my wig in my cap. And the wig I actually use in this is the same one I use for Lance McLean and Aaron Yeager. And I just kind of change it so it has a fringe instead of their weird, horrible haircuts. And so I'm going to throw that on, and I'm almost done. So this is my finished Dipper Pines from Gravity Falls cosplay. If you have anybody else you'd like me to cosplay, please tell me down below in the comments, and you can also find links to my Tumblr and my Instagram. And that should be all. Yowzer out! So, I get a pines.